in this video we are going to know what I would have did if I was a beginner in graphic designing or UI UX designing. So we are going to distribute this whole thing in 4 easy steps. First, the device you need with the specs you need on the device. After that, the browser you need, because it really matters, because the platform we are going to use for the designing will be Figma, which is a cloud-based uh, design software, and you can also download it, but you can use it online as well, so that just cuts off the whole RAM issue. And after that, we will see what resources we can use as a beginner, and it actually still works for me, the resources. So let's start it with those all steps. Now, first step is to get a PC or a laptop with minimum 4 gigs of RAM. After that, I want you to download Edge instead of Chrome, because I've been using it and it's kind of good. The whole experience of using Edge over Chrome, you need to search and go on figma.com, sign in, create an account, and just get started with Figma. Using Figma because first of all it's for free, and second of all it still gives the feature we need to begin with. After that, the third, or you can say the most important thing, is resources. As in being resources, you also need illustrations, stock photos. There is FreePic, a big powerhouse, and it gives you a lot of stuff for free. After that, we have Unsplash and Pixels as our stock image websites, and you can get free stock images from there. They are very high quality and they are industry level usage type of things, and they're just for free, so you can use them. You just need to follow the trend and you will be a good designer by the time, because you are learning what is trending. So go on Dribble. This is the fifth resource, and you just need to go on Dribble, and then after, search for the kind of thing you want. Like if you are into app design or web design, go search for your type of design, pick out 2 to 3 apps and just do something out of it. Create something of yours by observing what they have did on that app. That is how this whole process works. That is it. And it usually takes you 15 to 20 minutes to set up the whole PC and have the browser going on, and after that the platform or the software. So this is a very small process, but it is what you need to start your journey as a graphic designer, or as someone who is pursuing it as a UI UX designer. Now go through all of this I have told you, and we will meet on the next one. You can follow me on Instagram, we can have a lot of chat there. I'll be giving you the whole detail there as well.